All right, so as many of you probably already know, I own a couple dozen rental properties all across the US. And over on my Instagram, I post about it all the time, how I say I own over 32 rental properties. And this is something that I'm pretty proud of. But the thing is that it's not so easy for most people, especially in crypto and traditional assets, to expand their portfolios and have enough capital to get into real estate. So recently, I did come across a project that listed on MEXC just the other day called REM, Real Estate Metaverse. And this is a project that launched within the last couple of days over on MEXC, one of the largest exchanges in the world. And Real Estate Metaverse, REM, is where real estate meets innovation. So it says Real Estate Metaverse will be your one-stop shop for all your property needs. It'll enable investors to buy, sell, and rent properties seamlessly. And if we look at exactly what their platform is, it says there's a few main features of it. The first is it says Real Estate Metaverse will be your one-stop shop for all your property needs. This will enable investors to buy, sell, and rent properties seamlessly. This is something very easy for crypto investors to access. In addition to it, it says, look, VR view of properties. Find your perfect property from home with Real Estate Metaverse. Experience virtual and augmented reality features for immersive property exploration. Start your property journey to financial growth today. They have diverse effortlessly. So as a user, you would be able to purchase different types of property from houses, apartments to townhouses, all directly from their platform. You could also analyze and receive insights. And if we're looking at their product, they have a few main services that are included. One of these is called Fractional Reinvesting. And this is something that is something really, really cool in my opinion, because with fractional rent vesting, it says REM introduces an innovative concept known as fractional rent vesting, which enables users to invest in real estate properties through fractional ownership, facilitated by ERC 3643 protocol, the REM X token. And under this model, a single property deed is owned by Propertyverse entity in Australia, while multiple ERC 3643 protocol tokens representing fractional ownership are available for investment by REM users. So ultimately, REMX token holders receive rental income and capital growth from the property, and the property is sold at a predetermined period. They talk about it in this video as well. They say it's usually around 3 to 5 years. And the cool thing about it is that this is a platform that is making it very simple and easy for people who may not be able to own a property themselves, may not want to have to deal with managing it themselves. They don't want to deal with all those headaches, but it gives them the opportunity to use this ERC 3643 token to have fractional ownership and still receive portions of the cash flow, portions of, the money that's being generated from this property. In addition to this, you can see they also have something about DeFi staking pools. Holders of REM tokens have the opportunity to participate in decentralized finance stake pools within the REM ecosystem. It says, look, by staking their REM tokens, users contribute liquidity to the platform and in return earn passive income in the form of additional REM tokens or other rewards. And it says these stake pools enhance the liquidity and sustainability of the REM ecosystem while incentivizing token holders to actively engage in the platform. So if someone's looking to invest in real estate, but maybe doesn't have enough capital, doesn't have enough time to manage everything, doesn't want to really diversify too much out of crypto, they can still easily be able to buy the REM token and participate in this entire ecosystem. And as they build this platform out, participate in it as they continue to grow. And we can also see they have a few other features as well. Like they talk a little bit about landlords, accountants, lawyers, and building inspectors. It says that all of these different features are going to be accessible directly through their platform. For example, with landlords, it says simplify your real estate journey. Their platform creates profiles for individuals and businesses, providing a hassle-free environment to monitor, evaluate, and generate reports, all within one centralized location for seamless service, communication, and fulfillment of your needs. And it does this really for lawyers, building inspectors, and accountants. So it's trying to become this one-stop shop for everything you need in the crypto space if you are looking to expand your portfolio and get into real estate, because ultimately it says that REM transforms real estate investment globally with blockchain, AR, and AI, enhancing user experience and security. So they're really changing the game for real estate investing, and you can see that they've been building this for quite a while. Back in December of 2023, they had the start of their angel investor round and presentation of business proposal. Then into January of 2024, they had discussion and onboarding relevant partners, advisors. February, March, they started to have those pre-seed rounds and onboarding angel investors. And you can see that literally they've been building this project every single month until they recently had this launch, which is is one of the bigger milestones that they've had as of recently. And you can see that they just talked about it over on their X. They've been getting quite a bit of engagement as well. And we're seeing that they're getting a lot of people talking about their project and continuing to, see more and more listings, see just a lot of excitement. So this is something that I'm pretty excited about. If you guys follow me over on X, you see, and over on Instagram, you see that I have quite a few rental properties. I'm always looking to expand my portfolio, and with what they're doing, they're making it extremely easy for people in the crypto space to get more involved in real estate. You can see all the information about their team, which I really like. You can see their LinkedIn's, which isn't always typical for projects in the blockchain space. You could also see how they say what they're aiming to achieve, and ultimately their long-term goal is to enable users and investors to acquire real-life properties globally, leveraging cutting-edge blockchain, augmented reality, and AI technologies. And so they are just trying to make real estate investing as a whole more accessible to everyone. And I think that's a great mission. I think it's a good goal. And I like how they're tackling it and how they're, trying to transform the whole entire real estate landscape. So this is something that I really like. I am bullish on the project. And if you're looking at it right now, you can see that their token is available on MEXC. That's the main exchange that they're available on. And at their current market cap, with what they're doing every single day in terms of 24-hour trading volume, I expect that this project could easily do, a 10, 20, 30x return from where it's currently at, especially if it's able to gain users and able to build the platform and able to roll their platform out, because as long as they're able to accomplish every single step and things that they've been talking about on their roadmap in terms of making real estate and property more accessible, I don't see any reason why this can't be a major power player in the crypto space. So I'm going to be keeping an eye out on it. I do own some on one of my MEXC accounts, so I'll be doing an update on this project from time to time as we continue to see more developments.